corruption. Corruption, corruption, where did you come from? Many land people are jobless because of you. No drugs in the hospitals and people are dying because of you. Poor construction of roads leading to accidents because of you. People are losing their land because of you. People are indisciplined because of you. Corruption, corruption, you have led no development in our country. Oh Uganda, the power of Africa, beautiful country, join us together and fight the corruption. Thank you for listening, our dear parents. My name is Nyumirwa. I am going to talk about a hen. A hen is a domestic bird and it's kept at home. A hen stays in the cage. Its young one is called a chick. From the hen we get eggs and chicken. We sell them and get money for school fees. Its feathers are used for decoration at the party, and the waste product is used as manure in the garden. So lovely parents, let us keep hens at home because they are useful to us. Thank you for listening, but Daddy buy for me one.
Oh wow, omuzadde owulidde eggs.
My name is Onen Patricia, the head girl from Kyanja kindergarten. I am going to talk about roles of different people in the community. It's good to read so hard to become a very important person in the community. A doctor treats the patient, a pilot flies aeroplanes, a carpenter makes furniture, a teacher teaches all the children, a farmer cares for plants and animals. Oh, what about a policeman? A policeman keeps law and order. So, let us all read very hard to become a very important person in the community. Thank you for listening.